How's it going, everyone? I wanted to go over the checklist for week 7. We have 2 weeks remaining in the course, this week and next week. The main thing that we have to do this week is take exam 2. Remember that last week the practice exam was posted. I looked at my lab and it seems like a few of you have done it so far. In case you haven't, that's okay. There's still lots of time. So you'll notice on the course site, I have the review videos for all of the problems other than the one from chapter 6 posted, along with a scan of the actual solutions that I'll go back and show you in a minute. What I'm going to do this afternoon, after I wrap up one more deliverable that I need to do, is record the chapter 6 lectures, and I will put the solution to that example problem in the chapter 6 lecture. Then what I would like you to do after you know you're all good on the practice exam and all the problems is to try to go ahead and complete exam 2. You'll also be uploading your work into Dropbox, which I'll put on the website. You'll notice that I'm going to get all of that done this evening. It may be late, but I will have it all done. That way, those of you that want to take your test Tuesday or Wednesday, you will have that flexibility. If I were you, I would recommend maybe waiting until Thursday. Just make sure that you're comfortable with that practice exam because everyone did really well in exam 1. So if you can do well in exam 2, you're really in good shape in terms of your final course grade. In terms of new content, I'm going to go into my lab and assign a chapter 7 reading assignment, which will be due Sunday like usual. I'll also assign a part 1 homework that just kind of goes over some tutorial problems to make sure that you read. Again, it's okay to start those before you actually see the lecture. However, since we're in the last 2 weeks, I'm also going to post the lecture for Chapter 7, which, as I mentioned on the discussion board, is basically just going to be 2 or 3 example problems that emphasize the main points. I will go in a little bit more detail than you might traditionally expect on a sample problem because I will talk about that theory and introduce it in real time. But the lecture this week for Chapter 7 will mainly just be like 3 videos of example problems, probably about 15 to 20 minutes each. And well, I'll assign a more extensive homework on it. What I'm probably going to do for chapters 7, 8, and 9 for the homework is just lump them into one big assignment and make them due at the end of the course as well. And those will kind of serve as your practice exam for the final exam as well. So just in case you haven't looked at the discussion board yet, for chapters 8 and 9, we're going to do those abbreviated like 3 key example problem lectures. I'm going to pick the problems that are the most important for dynamics and moving forward. And I hope everyone realizes when I say I'm just going to do example problems, that doesn't mean I'm not going to go over the theory at all or that you're not fully learning everything. It's just that the amount of lecture content you have gotten for those chapters versus the previous chapters will be a little less and a little more focused. But you will fully have been taught all of the material that you will need for your future coursework. So don't worry, we're not missing out on anything. Unfortunately, we just have to be a little more efficient since teaching statics in 8 weeks is a really weird thing to do. When I used to teach it in 15 weeks, we had problems getting through all the material because this is just a lot. So I really am proud of you all and impressed by how well you've moved through the material. The scores are really good on the homework, and I hope you're getting a good learning experience out of it so far, and hope to see some of you over the summer for dynamics. So good luck on exam 2. If you have any questions on the practice problem solutions that I posted, please do reach out just to show you where those are. I posted this document here is the PDF scans, and my internet is really slow here at SEC, so it will take forever to load. But these are actually written solutions for the exam problems. These are what I recorded during the video. So if you want to have them open while you're watching the video, that would likely be helpful. And the other document that's posted for this week is the kind of a table that has a video link to the solutions to each problem. So if I were you, the best way to do this, open the PDF written solutions, watch the video for each problem. Ideally, before you watch the videos and look at the solutions, try to do them yourself. Some of the videos are a little bit long because, again, I tried to do a review beyond just saying, hey, this is how you solve this problem. I tried to go over why certain concepts are important, along with show why we're taking the approach that we're taking. So even the stock document is taking forever to download, but it's just a table with problem number in the left column and video link in the right column. And if you're subscribed to the YouTube channel, they're all up and live on the YouTube channel as well. So good luck on exam 2, and I'll talk to you all soon.